My name's Willie Gaskins. I'm the welding instructor here at Northeast Tech at the Kansas, Oklahoma campus. Prior to that, I came from industry. Adults can come during the night for 3 hours on a Thursday from 5:30 to 8:30 and learn different types of welding to their choice. We really don't gear any one way or the other. We give the student the opportunity to achieve what they want to achieve in the night program. A lot of students that come, they've never struck an arc before, never done welding before, don't know anything about it, but would like to do something on their off time at home, maybe repairing a cattle guard or a fence. We work towards the advanced welder that's wanting to better their knowledge and pass the Oklahoma Department of Labor card welding certificate. It's an art, it's also a trade, so it works both hands, and they'll always need welders throughout the United States for many, many, many years to come.